Think that nobody ever asked, swear I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy K Dizzy. Make sure you click the bio. It has my Discord and a lot more resources, so definitely go check that out. But yeah, we're not gonna waste no time. We're about to see what gold and AUD USD has to offer us for the upcoming week, and we're about to have us a profitable, really nice week. So let's get right into it. All right, boom. I see a monthly institutional candle. Boom. It's bullish right now. This is monthly. I'm gonna just consider this a monthly right now, even though there is a candle before it. But as you can see, this looks a little bit cleaner in my opinion. So I'm gonna mark this as well. Weekly institutional candle. Go down to the 2-day. Let's see. Okay, we got a lot of little institutional candles that went into. Oh. So we have 4 2-day INST institutional candles that it could possibly, if it does go down, we have some areas, but we're probably gonna hide these because we don't want all these markups on the chart when we're actively trading. Okay, boom. So right here, y'all, 10-minute institutional candle. Now we're talking. 10-minute institutional candle. Let's just get this rectangle because it is kind of far, so I just like to do rectangles because it's easier to mark. And this candle right here is what pushed it all the way up to this whole move right here. So let me actually go back on the 1 hour because now we're actually looking into where we're going to be trading for tomorrow and the whole week. All right, boom. Low, high, higher, low, just to make sure we know structure, things like that. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high currently. So now it kind of gives us a little structure. I'm really trying to see where this area right here stopped at, because this is like the start of all this, and this is going to be the foundation. I mean, I already see something right here, which is amazing. I'm glad this is showing very easily. I'm grateful and blessed that I have this skill to really pick out the markets. Ooh, let's go. Imbalance right there. Right here. 5-minute imbalance. Nice. Let's go. We can make it a little bit more accurate. Boom. And then boom. It came into this imbalance right here. Overall is the reason why I went up here. Right? Came back down to this. It didn't come quite down to this 5-minute imbalance, but it's like I said, there's a large wick right here, but on a lower time frame, there's a different price action, and it shows different patterns. So I already know there's gonna be some things out here, but it doesn't even matter because we see we're moving forward, and we already have some reasoning on why it's moving to the bullish side, the upside. So let's continue. I'm gonna stay now over in this area because yeah, it's getting low time frame. This 3-minute imbalance right, or institutional candle right here. I see something right up here where it's at currently. 3-minute institutional candle. It's literally in it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times it came into this institutional candle and has not disrespected it. It has been coming into this candle and pushing a little bit up, but we definitely see consolidation. It's 10 p.m. This is not when the chart just is flowing naturally. I mean, sometimes it can, but I mean, it's not a coincidence that it's doing this right now, consolidating. So let's mark this a 3-minute institutional candle. 2-minute, let's see what it's doing. So we can actually mark 2 different areas that if it does trade to the downside, we will already have an idea. Boom, 2-minute institutional candle right there. Okay, and then another 2-minute institutional candle right here. Okay, boom, and then currently, yeah, it's in this little range right now. And 1 minute, let's see. Honestly, that's fine for now. This is good. Even when we wake up, it will be showing us where it's been, like if it comes down to here, 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 here. We have a lot of different areas on why it will continue. We're literally like putting it and trapping it in a corner. Should I say it's like we're like, yeah, we're just trapping it in a corner. We're seeing exactly what it's doing. We're making it to where it's very predictable. Monthly institutional candle right here. MAST monthly. We don't really have to go on the left side. That's in 2023 of January. That's insane. Okay, boom. Monthly. Oh yeah, this is bread and butter. Weekly right here. Boom. Weekly institutional candle, that blue candle before this push down. WINST. And then this candle was inside of that, so this blue candle before the push down is also a institutional candle. So we'll mark that. It looks like it's on its way up, but we'll see in the lower time frames. It looks like it's retracing to one of these areas that we have to then sell back down. But let's see in the lower time frame. Today, nothing that I'm going to mark. I do see something on the daily. Institutional candle, this blue candle right here before the last blue candle before the push down. Came down here, came up to here. We'll find out why. Then came back down. Now it's coming back. So honestly, I'm gonna mark this as an institutional candle that we're currently in. This blue candle before that push down. Yeah, I like that. Smooth. D institutional candle. What about this? Yeah, this is a daily as well. D institutional. 8 hour. Let's see. Aha. Wow. I'm not even gonna mark that, but I do see where it's respecting. Let's see if there's a cleaner. Oh my gosh, I just see something. Come on, people, y'all gotta be in here. Haha. That's all good, man. It's all good. I want to make sure I'm foundationally coming here and making sure I have my routine, because yeah, people are gonna be in here nonstop, like in the future and just moving forward. I just want to make sure I get my habit right, and plus I'm making a video out of this, so they're gonna see the operation is operating, even if 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever, how many people don't join, we're still operating, and that's a reliable source right there. Building good habits, foundation. This is the foundation. You feel what I'm saying? Plus a Super Bowl. But yeah, boom. I see a 4-hour imbalance that it cleanly, and it's not even that clean actually. Do I want to mark that? Do I want to mark that? Yeah, I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep it there. I'm gonna keep it there. Let's see this candle right here real quick. Let's see if it's blue. If you see that, that is a blue candle. Dojis are like basically a pattern that forms that indicates significant move is gonna happen. Let's see. Sorry, this drink is really good. I can't lie. But the reason why that is a good sign is because I'm view this as an institutional candle, and look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Well, not perfect, but kind of 50%. It wicked a little bit above it. Now look at, boom, it's pushing down. So that is really a foundational piece or area of interest that like we're gonna be kind of like, it's gonna be a foundation for the upcoming week. So I'm excited. So boom, pushed down, and it traded lower. It traded lower than this just now, or like recently, just traded lower than this previous low. So momentum is definitely shifting, so that's really good. So I'm gonna mark this right here, this 4-hour institutional candle right here. Doesn't have to be capitalized. Let's keep on moving down. 2-hour. I don't see nothing so far right here. 1 hour. I'm really looking for, yep, I got it right here. So I see another institutional candle. Boom, this last, let's make it a little better for y'all. This last blue candle before this push down, I'm marking that as an institutional candle easily. Yep. As you can see, this 1-hour institutional candle right here, this blue candle before the push down, it came inside of this candle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Did not disrespect it, and has pushed down since. That move right here could pay your bills. And I want to show you something because I just peeped it just now. Oh my god, this 1-hour institutional candle right here, I can already hover over it, and it's inside this candle. So let's mark it so you guys can visually see what I'm seeing. Boom. So let me mark these two as 1 hour institutional, 1 hour institutional. So currently, something that we're super near is hitting this area one time and has been trading down since, and we'll see on the lower time frame what it's doing in currently. And I'm honestly gonna put something right here. It broke and then it retraces up and then comes back down. So that's what we see here. So that's why we're marking different areas that it can come up to and then sell down to. So 30-minute institutional, boom. It's similar to the 1 hour. I'm not gonna remark it. And the 15-minute, there's a 15-minute institutional candle right here. So this last blue candle before this push down, I'm considering that a institutional candle. So I'm gonna mark that. Boom. 10-minute institutional candle. Right. 5-minute. Let's see. You get the drill. We go down and refine our entry, refine our structure, all that. And it did trade lower than these lows. Actually, that wasn't even low. But this is crazy. What was this? This was not even. What time was this at? That was at 4:57 p.m. Sheesh. On a Friday. Sheesh. Oh my gosh. What a move. What a move. Holy bonkers. Holy bonkers. I'm going to catch one of these this week. I'm going for swing trades on AUD USD. Now we're on the 2-minute imbalance right here. 2-minute imbalance. This wick right here, the previous candle right here, and the candle right here, wicked, stopped right here for this candle, and the wick stopped for here, and so left a little gap in this larger candle. So boom, 2-minute imbalance. All right, and then I also see, and I'm gonna mark it with a rectangle, I see this 2-minute institutional candle, which is kind of in the 10-minute institutional candle, but this is a institutional candle that if it does not respect the 10-minute institutional fully, there's a reason, and the reason is this 2-minute institutional. It could be trying to come to this 2-minute instead of the overall 10-minute. So that's a good thing to just consider, and so extra confluence or extra reasoning. So the 1-minute, oh, look at that right here. This last blue candle before the push down was the reason why we're even down here. All right, and then right here as well, this is why this is even here, and then this is why this is even here. But this right here is another institutional candle that I see. 1-minute institutional candle. That is it, all the way to the 1 minute. We dissected this thing all the way to the 1 minute. This is clean, I'm not gonna lie. It's like a fresh haircut, I'm not gonna lie. Once again, the best thing is this is pre-market charting up. So when I wake up at 7:45 or 7:50 or 7:30 and come down to the market before 8, my point is when I come down to the market, I'm gonna, excuse me, I can't speak. I'm gonna already have things marked up and price hitting different areas, and it's already gonna tell me what it's doing. So like I said, this is gonna be an exciting week. I'm excited. Yeah, a lot of things are moving and growing very quick, so I've been learning how to find balance and find a flow without doing too much, knowing that there's so much to do. So yeah, that's it for the pre-markups. We're gonna come back into the week and do what we do in the Discord. So if you want to see how I trade for free Monday and Friday 8 a.m. Eastern, join the link in the bio. Anything you need down below, go tap in. I'm gonna see y'all. Feel me? I'm out.